Hello friends, I am JNG. This is our channel JN Social. Today in general I am going to talk about the mental pressure which leads to committing suicide, and in particular I am going to talk about the recent report regarding to the stress released by United Services Institution of India, which says that in Indian Army more than 50% of army personnel were severely affected by stress. So what is the implication about this report and what are the precautionary methods that we need to adopt to protect the Indian Army personnel from stress? We shall analyze the topic very clearly. Before that, if you didn't subscribe channel and also click the bell icon, then the moment I post the video you will get immediate notification. Now we shall get into the topic. In Indian Army, the number of people, those who are dying because of suicide, fratricide and untoward incidents are more number than compared to the casualties because of counter-insurgency or counter-terrorism or other fight between the enemies as well as Indian soldiers. So the leading cause of death of army personnel in Indian Army is stress than the usual casualties. There are other physical inabilities or comorbidities also reason for the death of army personnel. They are hypertension, heart diseases, psychosis, neurosis and many more. And the main reason that is predicted to be the reason for the death of army personnel is they are exposed to more number of counter-insurgency, counter-terrorism operations. That's also build up more pressure among the army personnel. The stress level among army officers is more than the lower-ranking soldiers because these officers need to control more army units and they have more responsibilities. The stress is not only in Indian Army, it has now spread to every job and also among every people, even it is affecting the children as well. Now the stress is one of the leading cause of death around the world. So the stress management is an international issue. We might have noted that in recent time, media has highlighted that the celebrities are committing suicide because of stress. For instance, Sushant Singh Rajput case, media has highlighted that he has committed suicide because of stress. But actually, whether he has committed suicide because of stress or drug addiction or any other issue behind that, the police is investigating regarding this matter. As well as in recent time, the Vijay Chitra has committed suicide. That's how the media reported. But actually, in later time, there are issues coming out regarding her death that she might have committed suicide because of husband torture or family issue. So regarding that also, investigation goes on. So in general, people used to claim that if anyone committed suicide, it is because of stress. But actually, that might not be the entire reason. Then why people are committing suicide? As a human, we used to have more number of positive as well as negative thoughts within a moment. But for which thoughts we are fueling, regarding that thoughts will be developed and based on that our life will be designed. So monitoring our thought as well as fueling our thought is very important. According to the which thoughts we are giving important, based on our life will be modified. For some people, they may used to be very sensitive. If any negative thought forces them to commit suicide, then immediately they may act on the thought. And sometimes repeatedly same negative thoughts forcing them to do certain acts or multiple negative thoughts forcing them to do certain acts, that may be attempting suicide. Sometimes those who lost their very lovable person, that may be close friend or lover, they may be unable to bear that emotional outbreak. So they suddenly take some decision to lose their life because they think that they may be unable to handle and proceed with the life. In some cases, those who are victim of rape, mental torture or any mental trauma because of incurable diseases, they may lose the hope and kill themselves. So the reason for the death is or suicide is not one or two. There are many reasons. In general, after industrialization, in particular after globalization, building up pressure in every activities of human being has inevitable because our sleeping pattern, working pattern, everything has changed. We are adapting to the different time zone for working with different countries, and again it also reduces our interaction with the human being due to technological advancement and facilities through online job. So after the pandemic COVID-19, the number of online jobs also increased. Again, the father or mother working in a room and the next room the child used to attend the online classes through laptop or any smartphones. In recent time, the social interaction has reduced and the lockdown also built up more pressure among people, and the number of occasional rises of family problem in recent time, these all are as a result of mental stress. Now the physical activities of children also reduced because they are not going to school. They are attending a class through online and they are using laptop or smartphone or tablet to get internet access, and they used to play online games. So the lack of physical activities, recreational activities, socialization is the main cause for building up of stress. So stress is not only in Indian Army, it is in everywhere. So the proper stress management skills and also doing some certain kind of meditation and yoga practices definitely helpful to get rid of from stress. Now let me see what are the main causes for building up of stress among army personnel. There are many reasons. For instance, inadequate leadership skills, resources, accommodations, because army person, when they used to move from one place to another place for any counter insurgency operations or terrorism operation, they used to set a tent and stay for some days. Then immediately they need to frequently relocate to other locations. That's also build up stress, and the misunderstanding between higher officials as well as lower ranking soldiers, lack of transparency and accountability in salary hike or promotion, lack of recreational activities. The army personnel may not get enough leave on time. Then among low ranking soldiers, the feeling of lower dignity also lead to build up more stress. Now let me see what are the functional mechanisms Indian government has already adopted to reduce the stress level among army personnel. Mansik Sahayatan helpline, which is helping to avoid suicidal tendency among army personnel. If any person feels suicidal tendency, he can call this number and get guidance and counseling. Mental health awareness program has been adopted in the pre-induction training of army personnel, and mental health center is available in important cities. For instance, in Goa, Mumbai, give guidance about to reduce the stress level among army personnel. The Defense Institute of Psychological Research has found the lack of on-time leave is the leading cause of death among army personnel. The recent report, that is United Services Institution of India, which claimed more than 50% of army personnel are in severe stress, was rejected by Indian Army because Indian Army says that they have conducted only small sample, so they cannot come to such a large conclusion because they have taken one sample out of 400 personnel. So if we consider there are 10 lakh Indian Army personnel, then they might have taken 2500 sample for analyzing the 10 lakh Indian Army personnel. So just analyzing 2500 personnel mentality won't properly match with the 10 lakh Army personnel mentality. So the report was rejected. Even then, we cannot come to the conclusion that there is no stress among Indian Army personnel because there are number of reported cases by media. For instance, a gate guarding army soldiers has killed other person as well as committed suicide, which also indication of stress. Now let me see what are the constructive steps that need to be taken by the government to reduce stress among army personnel. The salary and allowances need to be given to the satisfactory level to the soldier, and the accommodation, then other facilities like cloth, food, that need to be in good condition. Then frequent movement of army soldiers and traveling facilities has to be improved. Recreational activities and welfare meetings need to be conducted properly, and the number of psychologists and the counselors need to be adopted in the army, and frequent counseling need to be given in regular interval. The Indian government must provide enough facilities for army personnel to contact with their families through video conferencing or phone. And we also know that the June 21 is recognized as International Yoga Day. So yoga now went to international level and it is practiced in different jobs. So the yoga also adopted in Indian Army. Some other meditation techniques also adopted in Indian Army. These practices need to be regularly practiced. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? Give your opinion in the comment section. And also if you have any better approach for reducing stress in Indian Army personnel, you can highlight in the comment section. Give a thumbs up by clicking the like button and share to your friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, you will get immediate notification. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.